I'm just using some worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook to do this stitch. I'm going to start by chaining 5. The berry takes up 4 chains and 1 chain will be a turning chain. I'm doing a single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook. Now I'm going to chain 1. I'm starting to work in the front leg of my single crochet. I've highlighted that in pink. Next, I'm going to do a yarn over single crochet. So I yarn over, insert my hook into that leg, and then I yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to work a yarn over wide single crochet into that same leg space. To do this stitch, you want to yarn over, insert your hook into the leg space, yarn over again and pull up a loop, yarn over one more time and pull through 3 of the loops on your hook. And you're going to have 2 loops left. I'm going to skip 1 stitch and work a wide single crochet into the next stitch. So to do that, I'm going to insert my hook and yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of the loops on my hook. Do a single crochet in the next stitch to finish off the berry.